Hey, what's up, you guys? So I am sitting here editing my 2025 wrap-up video, and I was going through old footage, and I realized I never posted my Utopia of the Seas suite room tour video, which is crazy. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So I took a little detour, yay for ADHD, and I decided to start editing that video in order to post it. But then I realized why I never did, and that is because I never finished shooting it in landscape. In fact, I prioritized a certain vertical formatted, social media platform and did one over there, but never did one for. And I think that's crazy. So I want to let you guys know this is going to be in vertical form, but this room was too good not to show you guys. And I do have some clips that I had started to film of the room tour, but just never quite finished. So I'll kind of leave those in the back, like as more of like a blooper section. But anyways, I 10 out of 10 recommend this room. If it was a longer cruise, it's kind of crazy for only a 3-day. You'll hear me say that a couple times in here, but it was a wonderful room. I loved it, and it was an amazing ship. I highly, highly, highly recommend Utopia. Any of the Oasis class ships are amazing, but Utopia in particular is a pretty amazing ship. So anyways, without further ado, here is my room tour from January of this year. If any of my former high school teachers are watching this video, I would venture to say you're probably not surprised. But hey, I always turn my homework in. It might have been late, but I did always get it in. Y'all, this room is so nice. I had to put on a dress just to give you a tour of it. So let me show it to you. This is a junior suite on board Utopia of the Seas. And I have to say, it is quite a bit of an upgrade. So remember that one room I showed you where I put my hands across and I could like touch both sides and my elbows were bending? Yeah, this ain't it. This ain't it. Let me show you. You ready for it? You ready for it? Y'all, I'm out of frame. I'm out of frame. Even with 2 people, this is huge. Like, borderline unnecessary. But it's still cool, so I'm going to show you around. This is the bed. I think it's just a king-size bed, but it's good. Squishy. I like it. Oh. Spending more money on a room doesn't make it easier to get out of the bed. Oh, wait for it. That's right. You got yourself a hidden bed. Yeah, it's about yay wide. I don't know how big yay is, but I don't know. Maybe like a little twin mattress in here, a little twin mattress action. So you have somebody here and somebody here. As long as you trust this somebody not to roll on to this somebody, I think you'd do good. There's one thing that I absolutely love about the fact that this room is so much bigger, and that is that we get lots of natural light when the sun's out. This not only has 1, but 2 windows/doors. So there's lots and lots of opportunity to see the sunrise and the sunset, depending on what side of the ship you're on. Now, this part of the room, this is pretty standard, and we junked it up like it's pretty standard. You've got your desk, your chair, but not all rooms have a Lavazza espresso machine. Now, when I first came into this room, I was a little concerned because the price of the room did not reflect in the closet space. What I didn't realize was that's the his closet. Let me show you the hers closet. This is the hers closet. That is right. This room has a proper walk-in closet. That's right. You're over there. Me? I'm gonna come back here. That's right. I am all the way over here. You're all the way over there. We could be having tea time in here. Somebody could sleep in here. This is how big this closet is. Let me show you the next part. I am sardined in this bathrobe and I am laying in a tub. That's right. This thing has a bathtub. A proper bathtub. I am 5'7". My legs are stretched out. I'm leaned back. Life is good. This angle is terrible, but you know what? We don't care because we have a bathtub on a cruise. What a good life. Now, not only do you get this awesome tub, but it also has a shower part for those of us who don't like to,
lay in our own filth. I'm not that person. I absolutely love a bath. But if you're one of those that thinks that and won't get in a tub, don't worry, there's a shower part. Let's try to get out of here. I don't know if I can. Ay, don't judge me. Tubs are hard to get out of, okay? While this is a bigger bathroom, this part's pretty standard still. We have one sink, a little bit of sink room, and you have, of course, your storage here on this side and storage here on the other side. So this part, not crazy, like cool in comparison, pretty standard for a cruise room. If it sits, I would say we'd equip, but there's nothing to equip me for. Here you go. We're good. We got a lot of ample room for the spreadage of your legs if you got to get down in there. So this, pretty good room. Pretty good bathroom. Not gonna lie. Is this a weird angle? It's probably a pretty weird angle. I should finish my tour. So there you guys go. That is the tour of a junior suite here on board Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. The next tour I will be doing is an interior because, well, I'm going on a back-to-back here on Utopia, and I'm going from the junior suite to the interior room. So honestly, I'm probably gonna be okay with it. Okay, bye. Guys, this is so nice. Oh my gosh. It's like huge. It's so big. Like, guys, you'll never believe this. Look at this. You ready for it? Let me turn you around.
They changed the color.
What? That is a walk-in closet. Don't tell my mom about it till she gets here. Like, for 3 days. What am I gonna do with this for 3 days? I'm gonna put my clothes in it. That's what I'm gonna do. This is so nice. Girl. I don't know what I was expecting. Oh, and there's random sheets coming out of the ceiling. I guess they have one of those.
That's what the ladder's for. Okay.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Wow.
I think it's fruit.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna have a
You're gonna be
tub.
taking
I know. I'm like, okay. Who needs all this for 3 days? I'm like, this is crazy.
But
Is this a closet or
Like back in the, I was gonna say back in the 18. No, that's just a mirror.
Wow, look at the
Oh
walk-in
my
closet.
God.
That's crazy.
You're kidding.
That is crazy.
that's it.
This is what
You do need that.
we got this
I
right
know.
here.
That's all I
we
need.
Yeah, I know.
I'm like, what is that for?
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, which probably is going to be more footage that I find that I just never shared but filmed, because I'm really good at filming it. Really bad at piecing it together and uploading it. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the room tour. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. You can hit the like button if you like the room. Do all the things. You know how YouTube works. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you soon.